Hello guys, in this video we will learn about how to reset your WordPress within a minute. So let's begin. So first you need to log in into your WordPress dashboard, then go to plugins. After going to plugins, click on add new. Search for WP reset. Okay, here are some results. So the first result is WP Reset, most advanced WordPress reset tool. So install this plugin by Web Factory. So wait a few seconds. After installing, just activate it. As soon as the plugin installs and activate it, then go inside it, open WP Reset Tools, click on this link. Now here is the dashboard inside WP Reset plugin. So now what you have to do is simply go down and come under this column. So here you will see site reset. Okay, so if you want to reactivate your current theme, then you can click on this. Otherwise, leave it as default and type here reset reset and click on reset site. So within a minute your site will be as new as it was in the beginning. So this was the quick tutorial in which we have learned how we can reset our WordPress within a minute. So if you want to learn more such website related things, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like and share with your friends and family members. Thank you. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.